Okay, so everyone, when I normally do the song Blast Off Into Space, I love to do an activity with it where we actually look at a steady beat, and I get lots of instruments out and we try to keep a steady beat throughout the song. Now it might be sometimes you have the option to keep that steady beat going or do a different version where we look a little bit at the rhythm. So we only play our instrument, for example in the chorus on the blast off into space, to give that more of a dynamic, that we're really going to blast off on that bit, okay? But it's up to you. I will show you two options, but you can choose whether you want to keep the steady beat throughout or keep to the rhythms in the song sometimes within it, okay? I like to have 3 instruments when I do this. So we have a maraca. And our maraca plays when we sing our verses, so verse 1 and verse 2. Now, obviously, I know that some people might not have some percussion instruments with them, so you can use anything that is shaky. For example, if you've got some rice or any pasta, you could fill that in a cup and cover the end of the cup, and you can shake it, and you'll get a shaky sound. Okay, so anything that you could make or find that creates a shaky sound will be great for those verse 1s and verse 2s. Then in the chorus, you could have either keeping the steady beat or just tap your instrument on the blast off. So I use a metal instrument for my chorus, okay? And what I'd like you to do is find a metal object. If you've got a pan, fabulous, you could use a pot and pan, okay? And I want you to use that for the chorus. So for example, you can either go blast off into space, or you can keep your steady beat throughout. We're gonna blast off into space. We're gonna blast off into space. Yeah, so you could keep a steady beat throughout, or you can just do it on the blast off every time you sing blast. I'm going to do both. So the first time I do the chorus, I'm going to keep the steady beat going, but then the second time I'm going to do just on the blast off. So you'll see me do both, but you can choose which one you do. Then when it gets to my countdown, I'm going to have my wooden claves, okay? So if you've got 2 wooden spoons, you can use those, okay? Or if you have some claves, you can use some claves, but you can just use some wooden spoons or even 2 pencils and tap them together. And I'm going to use that on the countdown. So I'm going to go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, can you hear I kept the steady beat going again? But I might decide to go with my rhythm. So I might choose to go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it's up to you if you want to do the rhythm or keep the steady beat. I'm going to again keep the steady beat the first time, and then the second time we repeat the numbers, I'll do the rhythm. And I'll blast off. You can make loads of noise on your instrument. Hope you have fun. Go grab your instruments. You can either sing and play your instruments because you've just learnt the song, or you can just listen to the track, me singing, and then you can play along with me. So I'm keeping my steady beat with my maraca first. You ready? Here we go. Mission control, check ignition and go. My spacesuit is on, so let's get on with the show. People are cheering as they watch from afar. Set the coordinates and head for the stars. We're gonna blast hope you enjoyed doing that and keeping your steady beat, or having a go exploring how you could play with the song, maybe how to go at singing at the same time. Or if you want to have a go and do that next, so you've had a go at playing the instruments, now have a go at playing your instruments and singing at the same time. I hope you enjoyed that, everyone, and I'll see you soon. Bye!